Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how we can design a nice catalog cover for a company that supplies modular kitchen services to their clients. And let's see how we can transform a simple image into a piece of design. Let's start with this one. We have this image. What all can we do with this image? That is the question that we should be asking ourselves. What about I create a cutout of this image? Shifting the position, and let's say this is the cutout that I have created for this one. Nothing major, I have just selected a section of this image that I would like to use for my design. Next, what about let's add a background to this image. Let's select a light background for this image because the image is currently dark. And if we use a light subtle background, then it will complement the overall design and will make the image stand out a lot, because this is what we are trying to sell over here. The interiors, the modular kitchen spaces that the company designs and offer to their clients. Now, what about let's add a rectangle to it. Seems too dark, right? You can go ahead and use this one because we are balancing this dark one with the light one that we have at the bottom. Or you can go ahead and have a slight shade of brown. I picked this shade from the image itself, a slight shade of brown, which we can use as a base to add our content. Now let's add our content which says Modular Home Solutions. Now we have the heading. Let's have a subheading that says Transforming Spaces with Quality and Innovation. What next? We need to give some more information about the spaces that the company designs, like the kitchen wardrobes, baths, sanitary, vanity, study, TV units, rooms, furnitures, offices, wall paneling. Next, let's add a line that distinguishes the title from the subtitle so that we have a textual hierarchy. Though we have the textual hierarchy already in the design with the difference in the font sizes that we have introduced, but still just a line can actually add a nice element in the design that could differentiate the text from one another and add a visual hierarchy. Next, they have a lot of social media handles on which they are very active, so we can use this as a way to promote their social media handles and get more users and audience for their social media handles. So next, let's add barcodes for their social media handles to the design. This looks nice so far, but still there's something that is missing. What is it? We see that the text is not interacting with the image that we have. How can we do that? Let's see. Adding a circle over here, and I have created a cutout of this particular table so that it seems that the circle is behind the table in between the interiors of the image. Let's add a dotted line to it just to give it some visual treatment. And let's add some text on it that says top selling manufacturers in the market. I'm keeping it short for now, but we can also increase the size of it as per the requirement. And if this is something that we really want to highlight in our design, and if we want our audience to look at it first, so basis that we can definitely adjust the sizing of this, but this is how we can ensure that we are adding elements that are interacting with our image and are looking like a part of that image in order to make the design visually cohesive. But we'll just do one circle too, because I do have more messaging that we can promote for this. So let's add this deals in premium brands and products text as well, and let's make it interact with the image again. So these are the two things that I have added. Lastly, it's very important for us to have a call to action for all our audiences, no matter what we are creating. I didn't add it just like a normal statement. I again embedded it as a part of the image. We have also left some space over here for the logo to be added, but I think that is it. This is the design that we have for now for our catalog. You can also transform basic images into nice looking designs with informations and call to action that grabs your client's attention and make them inquire about your product. Hope you like this video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.